Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new Fortnite video. Now today, we are building a 500 level Deathrun. Now I hope you guys enjoy the audio. I went ahead and bought a new mic. It was pretty expensive. Got an audio interface, got the whole works. If you guys want to see a setup tour of my gaming setup, I will make a vlog of that. Also, I've got my brother here with me. Now I also have a few people who have... Oh, sorry, that's probably too close. I have a few people that actually helped me out on this Deathrun, so their names will be down in the description on the official date of the release, or like the official release of this
sweet, bro.
map.
I almost blew apart your whole fucking wall.
So I'm just gonna run you guys through this. I think we have like 40 levels so far. This is gonna take like a few days. This is gonna take a few days to like make. Obviously, I have 41,000 space taken out of 100,000. I gotta try to fit as many levels as I can. Now, if I don't get 500 levels in there, I'm gonna try to get somewhere near. But everyone copies everyone. That's just the game of YouTube. Now I'm gonna go ahead and up. Hear me out. I'm upping from them.
Hey guys.
They
boy,
yo, they only do 100 levels. I'm gonna outdo them. So let's jump into this video, you guys. Make sure you guys do use my supporter creator, Riley LaPointe, as shown on the screen and my name. It's pretty well what it is. Let's get right into this video, guys. Just follow me. This is where you start off, obviously. Now there's only 40 levels in here, so it's not even near being done, as I said. But where are you, Lukester? Get over here. Get over here, boy. In a world where one man struggles to get 500 levels in a freaking map. Brother. Okay. None of the traps are gonna set off. Let's just go ahead. No, we're not starting the game. I'm not doing this, okay? Alright, so that's like 3 levels in. Hop, hop, hop. Now, obviously, you're going to pick this up. Impulse yourself. So, Luke, do you know how to spawn yourself in impulses? Here, come here. I'll drop some for you, okay? Grab them. Now, you probably are just going to have to fly. Okay, don't drop shit. Okay? Hear me out. Don't be dropping shit on my map. So that's how you do that level. I was gonna build this for defaults, but I mean, so many people are doing that, and yeah, so we're just not gonna do that route. But let's go, Luke. Oh my god, Luke, what was that? Keep moving without you. All right, hop on to the next level. Little bit of jumpy poos, nothing too special. Yeah, blue face baby. Yeah, pop. All right, that's the next level. A skitty pop pop. Come on up. And then you're going to want to stop here. This one's a little tricky. This is a nice dropper level. You hear me? Obviously, I would have died there. Another level. Just super simple, short levels. They start getting longer. I'm going to have to cut them shorter. So, yeah. Okay, I can't even do my own Deathrun, brother. Where you at? I'm trying to be a bit different with my levels, guys, okay? Don't criticize me. Simple levels, baby. Some of this map is for defaults, aka myself, aka mostly... Okay, let's not speak on that one. Mostly Lukester. He is definitely a default. He plays on PlayStation. Now, I haven't seen this done before. Now, I want to get this video out before I see another video with using these, saying they just came into the game. You feel me? And I'm fresh into this game. So I haven't seen the hop rocks used yet. You're just gonna skitty pop, work your way over here to the end of this level, and then you're gonna want to touch the checkpoint. Now, I don't know what that's all about, but yikes! I would have died. I would have definitely died there. That would have taken my life right out of my hands. I can't get up there, Brody. Okay, there we go.
I know.
A slow level. Let's just skip this one because I'm not wasting any time during this video. Now, I haven't seen this one either. A grappler ball, whatever you call these hamster balls. You know what they're called, Lee? No? Say skirt mobile, but we're not using that in this video. Get out! Get out! Get out of that thing! No. Park it where you got it from, okay? Leave it there. Very fun.
Very fun.
So you're just going to skirt across this part of the map.
Look.
We're gonna add a bunch of these around the map to help you guys out. I don't know why my recording looks so shitty. By the way, I haven't uploaded a video in a long time because my computer crashed. Luke, did it crash? Had to, spend a few bands to get that thing working again. Bro, give him a little bit of a speech real quick.
So,
Shut up. Okay? We don't want to hear your bullshit story. Aight? Bop, skitty pop. Just like that. Why is my feet, like...
Yeah.
I was AFK when someone made this for me. So, I don't know if this is going to be possible, but... It's possible, okay? If it was made, it's possible. Classic impulse. I love impulses so much. They just treat me so well. Okay. So this, we're trying to fly through this. We're already at 6 minutes here. Okay, this one, pretty simple. Why is there 2 here? Who did that? Who did that? I didn't put 2 there.
You.
No, I didn't, bro. That wasn't there when I was test driving it.
You.
Test driving this puppy of a level. All these are possible, okay? It's a puppy!
It's a puppy.
They're all possible, boys. They're all possible. Okay? Now, an all-time favorite. No roof type deal. Just skitty pop. Okay? Let's not talk about that. Now, this is where I got creative, alright? This is where I got creative, and I did something that no one else did before. So, in a world where I came and was creative for the first time in YouTube history, and did my own type of thing. Skitty pop. Skitty pop. Can I get a skitty pop in the chat? So can I get a yip puppy? Hey puppy.
Skitty pop.
What's going on, puppy?
Hey puppy.
I bet. Next level. Easy 5-minute death run. No, I'm breaking records out here, boys. We're breaking world records, baby. I haven't seen this shit done before. You hear me? Alright. Next level. Boring. I didn't make this one. I feel like this isn't running fast enough, but it's gotta be. Alright. Next level. You know how it is. The traps. The classic trap baiting. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then another running one. So we're like on level 30 by now. Something in that range. Maybe level 500. I'm not too sure. Like, boys, you don't know how much work I'm actually putting into this mask. Okay. Okay. Can I get a... You don't know how much work I'm putting into this mask? You didn't get ice, bro. Bro, you didn't get... You didn't get ice, brother?
You don't know how much work I'm putting into mask.
Better get out of my way. Better get out of my way.
That's
bro,
alright.
You got in my way. Okay, but you're supposed to just be able to hop through that, okay? And this wall is damaged. Because of Luke's that doesn't know how to play the freaking game. And that's as far as we got, alright? So it's like 40 odd or 30 odd. How many levels are we at, Luke? 30? 40? Alright, so this is gonna be my last video on this death run until this death run is complete. I don't know if you would say it's a default death run because I'm trying to make the levels easy and short so everyone can have fun and do it. But it's gonna literally take you 20 minutes to finish this death run once it's actually complete. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a big fat thumbs up on it and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Luke, give him one more motivational speech. Let's just try this. I don't know how well it's gonna be. Luke's is a pretty big bot, but I haven't even played my own death run yet, so let's just hope this works. I'm trying to get to like the 15 threshold here. Like my main thing is what I was gonna do with this death run was make a water slide, and then I was like, you know what, I'm doing big things out here. Like you can literally skip 2 levels just like that.
Fast.
Obviously, you're gonna have like 1 HP, so you die to this shit. And I did put the checkpoints aside on shit like that because my previous death runs, they were always in the way and people were getting impulsed. So yeah. Come on, Lukester. No flying. Okay, you don't get... Where are you? You died. You really died already. Tommy, you're in the drought.
In the trap.
Literally. You're literally a bot, bro. Give me some inspiration, bro. No, don't copy me. Just tell me a good speech.
Give me some
Shut
inspiration. No, don't copy me. Like,
No, you know
like
what?
you should
no.
be motivating me to.
No,
get through this
okay,
level
because the guy who sold me this microphone
by
told
not
me
telling
that
to
it wouldn't
make
be
fun
good
of
for what
other
I'm using it
people.
for because I'd have to scream or I'd have to be quiet into it. But guess what? That math lied to me, bruv. So you know what? Shut up. In a world where one man struggles, shut up.
Ta ta ta.
Just like that, folks.
It's a
Just like
puppy.
that. And we're probably gonna end it right away because I don't want to make this video too long. Feel me? But I'm just gonna run this level real quick. Skiddy up. Oh my god. Tell me I got you baited. No.
Mhm.
Bro, I
Got you
literally
baited.
walked into that trap so many
Goodbye.
fucking times tonight. Alright, we got this. We got this, folks. Oh my god. Lukester, catch up to me. The guy from where did we go today?
Exactly.
Yeah, wherever you're from, buddy. Okay, you know what? I'm wrapping this
I don't
video.
know.
If you did enjoy it, make sure you guys please do drop a like on this video. And if you feel like supporting me in like the best possible way, would be using my support a creator code, Riley LaPointe in the item shop. Cop up that new, you know, stay up to date with the skins and everything, and then you could like win my Deathrun. I heard if you buy skins with my support a creator code, you can win Deathrun. It's pretty easy. Yeah, Luke. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. As always, it's been Riley and a pleasure making a video
Yeah,
for you guys.
that's
Make sure you do
right.
subscribe and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. And peace out, maps. Say bye, bro. No, like, peace, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye, bro.
I bet. Roll the outro. Bah, 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 bah,
This
bah,
guy's
bah, 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 bah.
watching.
Fat boy.